Jana. Nanti aja. Alam. Atau first time aku. Kita semelan.
Siran Indo sama. Yo, assalamu alaikum kote ke muruta nan drone nyimbe kala very short update leti ko ngal promise nyamin ko mbitala pipeline le bawsen la resident anala office of fananto nimbota nan jensina fananga na quick update o ke molye kamol bondi kumpoto sako mol minuli alon kalbe diaspora ngalone ko albe kibarol soto kanne from here bari butum jawo kay tanawo tanati jang tata bawsen yale ngatra in a very good high spirit ngatra be ala tentula abe danila molbulu ko mobesi sabari nga tenkun fo janni be final result o nyin announce la bawo mbe ngalonne ko result be announce ka nyaming mbela karamutaro futata nyin tolo ko UDP I mantara ka resultol nyin ke endorse ngamira albe o notice le kabara mantra saharim bage mantra alale akio nyama nafis alala akio nyama mantra saharin tilobe kandirim fana bage yes so onata ke kuti mi alon ko alako jongo isika sabar lati baki so wo sabaro mbebe wole kono so bawsenu abe daming he is at a high spirit abe lamoyrola fo jannibe final result o nyim fola ha so hey so tembo mimbeje sainteng nalbe tata on social media albajelal ko pipeline fanan two presidential candidate be nata ko te kana honorable Daboya kaytandi ko imang result o nyita accept la aisa dumbe diamol la kaytandi ko ite result o nyin ita accept la so mimbije wolom nyinti ko alinga tenkun Gambia mu luwa banko leti andun tella party leader molo mati mi yalon kay luwa horma bake so alinsi wakil nga ke luwa horma lati bake nga luwa nga bula luwa noma andu wole be nyim bankun kan esa fal mama kande ibe tata party leader yale imante taranunje because I'm not feeling well so kombatun tanga say nambarin tatale nimba usenu sitale na kachata ala saloto molba feje he's in a very high spirit abe mobe tentukan katun aya kala mutalal ko Gambia dingol fintitale tate carte o fay andu UDP dingol fintitale carte o fay UDP. So wherever the result is wobina koilale. Result o nyimbe dawoda wobina koilale. So mbe mobe danila mol si tenku mo kana lana tambe kuke fana Facebook oto na alfalu they are going to handle this matter. Tumando nyina mu banko fana na Kairoti because mune ati nanga nyimfo ni yatra ko baro asondo mo babala asonta kulela manya na sonna minna baro even UDP la stronghold baro ka UDP danje more than 5,000 10,000 votes lela UDP la stronghold solve dami oto mbesa lonko dal there is something wrong somewhere else bari ñing alfalde e be ñing ko tama kan ne laftana la drum pour kañin sort update le dialla mama kande esa mbay fal ani Ousainou Dabo e be joint press conference o kala le bari te o kala no follow for near final result o ñin declare for near final result o ñin declare yalo nebe min ke kande. So ni yatara ko molu malo mimbe kering woli yalo ne mimbe kering because monon problem od mobe yalo ne IEC mo jelle register yalo Gambia be wolonne bawo wobe political party ol be bulle how many voters card ye wala issue wobe political party ol be bulle constituency yalo ne voters card jelle dita Karteo min dita barola base according to the sources maje de nte maje follow base resultol maje bar mo jamale ba complain kanko massively because base la Karteo mumela be man tambi 200,000 na mo nyaka 100 plus from I remember so oto mojelle Karteo fay base so wala atina alinga na time utan na leaders all they are going to work on this. Laftale drum pral betra in a positive mood jang mbenun jele ajiam sekanata ay mol address kaitandiko heci Dabo ko mobe tukare yeke peace maintain lati mokana kuma jaw fo moma mokana mo neng mokana keloke haniya tarako NPP ko lebe tambila jebe nyawal lola ako let us jubilate with them. Bari itelbe min tala ebe taran silo min tala wotati nandle mawoke wo mol milke don silo kan ni nyilbe kuwo ku kala wolte o kala mutalafan so oto alen kana dunyol nte fambe bolana sera kunda I gave lift to 2 NPP mol ngeci kan namoto la ngebulandi nga fo en namoto kono because tisa to le bebala ngoy ko ngal so lift la because mbemu kilineri bar nal mantra ku kilin konye ko foyete mu UDP le tin koy ko mune atina ni mol diam tali rek alkafu fo UDP lo anum parti jamale be jang so nyille alon ye UDP la importance long ngoy ko yes ntamu UDP le ti mfana ngaw foy ngoy ko yes ntamu UDP le ti ngoy bari nga karifula le di altel le fang follow be nyim banko complain la bawo ko men be nyim banko kan amamo kumpade mobe alone munebe Gambia everybody knows it yalo mobe wolonne so oto alinga sabari mo kana lanna tambi kuke nadiata baroe ayafako ate 800,000 vote le soto new opposition olu wolie wo 100 plus o min tutaje yole talanyo tema Okay, Pandi, you can call on Messenger, but Dugare Akana Tambi after 10 minutes Nimbotaje because the phone doesn't belong to me anymore. Ndigo ngadi wolela. akantela batu drone ninte nyanta murula dro be ela everything be bonde be ntela call be bon la in telephone to ya new start dial ha so wadi do la ke aka heritage le bawo dinni wolo mo ako call sol kasi afuno nyinto bakel in fact wadi so da ko nyeko amalla funo nyin yeah so o manke problem ti insi diamuno le nyato so lafta wala update o di la drone lafta o update ole deal la kaitandi ko UDP is in a good spirit Esa Fall and Mama Kande ibe nata honorable Dabo Yale and they are going to do whatever is necessary to do and then to condemn this election result. So lafta al hakilo bulan la kukile nela Gambia nkolo jongo ka hame kudola ila Cairo tije Alpha Conde Guinea Conakry bring election obe kela Alpha Conde muneke Alpha Conde ay muneke atata la electoral reform ay la constitution le fang follow falling because at manya na contest la among qualify Alti katuna na dry cough so anin sun burning anin sun burning. Okay, Sister Aisatu, maybe you can join through request from the Facebook itself. Send me a request, then I try to accept you. Maybe you can join in. So nyine bije Alpha Conde bira constitution of falling a contester mune nata ke Alpha Conde la mune nata ke Alpha Conde la bi Alpha Conde where is he Albaro tuje ejentol yen tara jele ejentol yen tafam tara jele pipeline ejentol ko italier la kaitolu dile andu italier result means soto at their polling station ani kanamu minka announce ko is different. I don't know how authentic that is, but ejento ya fonye jela man kaiti tan intala de bara ya fole. Okay, brother Ibrahim, I will drink billahi I will do that. Ejento ya fonye jele andu ejento ya fonye fanan ko bundung itellum ejento ti bundung andung UDP has won bundung bari bri result for the iko Adam Barrow winta bundung albe ajele iko Adam Barrow winta Kombo South iko Adam Barrow winta Brikama North. So something is fishy here. Ming Adam Barrow fangoma understand ibabula kam minna. But thank God that the other opposition party iman selfish yaje ilafta puru mimu tonyati we sabati. Ilafta mimu tonyati puru we sabati. So let's wait and see. Nyimpati Alpha ni la press conference oge inimune be fintila na molka. Ine muna be fintila na molka bimbebe hammering pour adama eta bi bari malon dalila jumala ya tinna adama ya fam forcé adama ni jumale nyin tafu pour ka Gambia la election o rig. This election is rigged. Mo kana fofa allegedly it is rigged. Thank you Princess Bintu Bama Enumbara. The election is rigged. Totally it is rigged. Mo be olon mobe yolon. So otalin si sabar drong ngana alfalu lamoy mokana lana tambi kuke mokana femfo. UDP is known to be a disciplined political party. Alinga continue wo discipline la. Sakole Banna Sano, don't insult me, please. Don't insult me. Don't insult me. You would not insult your father. You would not insult your mother. Don't insult me. Nal telman kuwo ku soto. Puruka fo moye. Pural nae agiu. Nal ma wo soto. Foka molu neng. Do not insult me. You don't know me. You don't know my background. If you are a shameless person, but don't insult me. Please. Right? Don't. I beg. Nge dani alakan kilaka. Mbedane walato. But if you want to hear me again, just try and rewrite what you wrote. That stop lying. Rewrite that, and I will tell you who your father and your mother is. I will tell you. Yes, I will tell you. So, Nyine Bije, Mr. Che Jalo, whether UDP lost or they don't lost, well, wo tuta alale bulu, mba jubela, luwa nyanta miwo minkela, they will do that. They will do that. So, nite comfortable ta kaitandiko, it's a clear win for Barrow. That is your choice and prerogative. But that is not the choice of the masses. Because I'll tell like killing like a panic jang ni UDP la mol findida. Bao UDP momi UDP benung birkama found them out. It's more than 200, 300, 400,000 people. But be UDP la result o mumela be is amamfuta follow 150,000. Alfango yo imagine ba. Yalo niko adama yako ika election o sunyale. Amanke ko ikadula be leta pur dunia safuko ha banko bele support. It's not that. But because of adamala among intelligent Nyine atina nka nyine faye. He would have stole the election. This is a simple majority. He has sunyano from 1,000, 2,000 up to 5,000. Maybe was a fenkeno demanding. Malum faya fahamle. Maybe was a fenkeno demanding. Thank you. Thank you, Sekula Bana Sano. That you are sorry, memuta kula. Next time, nibe mo jube kan at a public domain. Argument okay, but do not insult. So Ndante Walter Niela apology acceptable, but Ibakela Momola do not insult. Ntebuka morning. Walat Nankoiko, if you do it and I will tell you who you are. So Baraka Bake that you've apologized. Thank you. So Mbemobe Daniela, let everybody come together. Mokana fitinoke. Mokana mo kanjandi, mokana moneng na alfal are working on things. Nal nya nyim pichoye. Mbaranga zoomali. This is the one in white is Mama Kande. The other one in white is Honorable Usainu Dabo. The other one with the black suit is Esa Mbaifal. Ibe siring Usain Dabo la salol to tenting in pipeline. So, yemune safe wolom nyintiko, iko currently in pipeline, but italiaki jere fajara, on a joint press conference to condemn the election result with Honorable Dabo, Mama Kande, and Esa Fal. So, Nialia Miracle, Altel Milka Fuko, they have lost the election, Barrow has won the election. Maybe I'll advise Mama Kande, Usainu Dabo, and Esamba Fal, Kaitandila ko Dukare nye election o winle ale proof okay. Because Nilte press conference o kela without having a proof. These are people with integrity. These are people mili alonko rule of law respect le. Luale katama. ECOWAS molbe Gambiale, EU molbe Gambiale, European Union molbe Gambiale, international community molu ebe election o nying observe kanne. Ya lonne mimbe caring, ya lonne ko, ya bulan nying presidential candidate ol beno kanne, ya jele who has a population. Ya lonne ko, if something happens to be like this, niwo opposition ole saferoge, it's a surplus for the opposition. Ni Gambia judiciary, which we think that we will have a free treatment, ni free treatment o man sotoje, ECOWAS judiciary fanambejel. So, albe alone who Honorable Dabo is. albe alone who Honorable Dabo is. So let's follow the protocol. Nga hormone bunya tamandi comme UDP daltala nyaming natal dron kal update new update sutungla malaf kamejang lafta itan lalal ko UDP is on a positive nyine wintaje mama kandele wintaje so oto ko Adama Barole wintaje combo south na fulado so ñu nom update o di lafta min folali anything nga any information so don tebe fintila nanne ngana nan nalia information o nyin sia mantra all right rimbake I have a son born and I have a very serious flu the cough come back dry cough so mbal tent la baake because birin nata fana mbe tilolo kono mbe dunna dulalto mbe dunna molu kan ni molbe kachala which was very successful was successful battle amanke kensende andata kala kensende nyin alpha luten na doko kala mbulu kensenti andun telefonalti la doko kala kensenti we will support them until anywhere ala baraka baake I thank you all ala baraka